Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important topic of HTML, that is HTML computer code elements. And mainly, we will talk about the where element code or computer code. Okay, so in this session, we will discuss what is where element, why do we need where element, and what are the benefits of using where element. So firstly, I'll start with the basic code structure, then I'll explain you the what I have written so far, and then later on we will discuss over the definition, like what exactly the where element is, and then one by one we will write the code, and later on we will verify the output and also try to understand the difference between the regular text and the text inside where element. Clear? So this is how we are going to proceed. And before we start, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, and then you can simply watch these sessions. Why I'm saying that? Because they all are connected with each other. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. But for time being, what we will do, we will just focus on the where element. But as I mentioned prior to that, we have already discussed many other computer code elements, like we discussed about code, we discussed about KBD, then we discussed about stamp. Okay, so this session is in the continuation of the same. Clear? All right, now what we will do, we will see the code here. So code is quite straightforward, right? We have just noted down one head title in the head section and one heading which is showing HTML by Tech Sharmit. So if we look at the screen, it is coming like this: HTML by Tech Sharmit. Okay, now and apart from this, like these are the just topic name and comment, just to show you a few details like topic name and presenter name. And apart from this, there is one question also for all of you, and today's question is like, why do we use a semp element in HTML? Maybe most of you already know the answer of this question, so you can directly share your answer in the comment section so that others can take a reference from it. But in case if you also don't know the answer of this topic, then don't worry, you can check out one of our previous session where we have already discussed these all things in a proper detailed manner. So from there you can take the reference and then you can share your answer in the comment section, and those who will provide the consistent correct answer will be spotlighted in the upcoming sessions and podcasts. Okay, so yeah, that's for the question. Now let's start the topic. And to start the topic, like I'll firstly put one heading here for the main topic of today's topic is where element in HTML. Okay, so this is the main topic. Now what we will do, we will create one para tag here. In para tag we will write this. For example, I want to create one formula, so I can write formula for students marks. So let's say I want to create this kind of formula, and the formula is a plus b plus a plus b plus c divided by 2. So this is just a sample formula. Okay, nothing related to any specific formula. We are just noted down just for the sample purpose. So if I show you the output of this code, it is coming like this. Okay, I think by mistakenly we changed the caps, so let's make it small itself. So let's write in this way. Okay, so if I show you the output, it is coming in this way. Okay, a plus b plus c and then divide by 2. So this is called regular text. Okay, so let me put the comment here. Maybe we can write paragraph without where element. So you can save it and refresh it. Okay, this is comment, so we will not be able to see the output on screen. It's okay, fine. So we can see here paragraph without where element. Clear? Now similarly we will put another comment where we will write paragraph with where element. Okay, now you can save this and refresh it. Again, this is a comment, so we will not be able to see the output, but we will create one paragraph here and we'll see the output of that. Okay, so here I'm going to write the same thing again, exactly same thing again, but you will see the difference. Okay, so let me write here formula with, okay, sorry, this is not formula for students marks. Formula for student marks. Here we will write A plus B plus C divided by 2, and then you can simply write the where element, or you can say the where tag in front of it. Maybe we can directly cut the value from here and paste it in between. Alright, so now you can see the where element is added with the formula. Now let's simply save this code and refresh it on browser. So now you can clearly see the difference. In the top row you can see the text is written in the normal or regular format, A plus B plus C divided by 2. Whereas if we talk about the second line, here the text is written in the italic format. You can see the the characters are inclined toward right side slightly, right? This is called italic characteristic of text. If you remember working with MS Office, MS Excel, or something like this, then you know that when we do the Control I or after Control B, or maybe like directly without Control B, when we press Control I, it slightly change your text and it makes it like italic format. Clear? Similarly, here on web page, if you want to show something as a variable, okay, then in that case you can utilize the where element. So I think now this is clear, and to see the clear one, let me show you another example so that you can easily identify. So here I will write the p tag. In p tag we will write A plus B plus C. This is normal one, and here I will write where tag A plus B plus C. Now you can save it and refresh it, so you can clearly see the difference. Or if you are not able to see it, let me break it down here somewhere so that you can see the difference. Save and refresh. Okay, so you can see the clear difference. In the above row, text is written in a regular format, whereas in second row the text is written in a italic format, and that comes under the where tag. Okay, so whenever you want to show something as a variable, then in that case you can utilize the where element. And this is the exact definition of where, that where element is mainly used to showcase the text as a variable, and it actually perform the changes which shows the text in italic format. If something is written in between in between the where element, then where tag, then in that case it will be considered as a variable. Okay, so this is regarding all the thing related to where element. And now if some of you might be thinking like, can we apply any styling to where? Yes, you can simply use style, then let's say change to size, so I can make it 40 pixels, so it will change it. Okay, so you can customize it by your own as per your requirement. But yes, right now if we talk about the default thing, then it shows in a italic manner. Right now also it is in italic manner, we just change the size. Clear? So this is how you can utilize the style tag whenever there is a need to show something as a variable on a web page. Now I request you to please do share your knowledge for the question I put today, and today's question is, why do we need SAMP code? SAMP element. Okay, so please do share your knowledge in the comment section, and those who will provide the consistent answer will be spotlighted in the upcoming session. So yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next session. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.